Hello, we're Team Apple. Have you ever seen a picture made of words? That's a word cloud. Today we're going to talk about word cloud. Word clouds turn text into visually engaging art, making it easier to see key themes at a glance. Word clouds use relative frequency, meaning the more often a word appears in a text, the larger it is displayed. You can see that the three countries with the largest populations, China, India, and the United States, are the largest. Let's see how to make word cloud using Flourish. First, go to Flourish. Then press the new visualization button. If you search for word cloud in the search box, you can easily find a template. We will use multicolor word cloud. This template is more useful because you can set different colors for each category. Can you see the graph I showed you earlier? Before we get started, let's change the title to the world population, which is the untitled on the top left. In the preview section, you can customize how the chart looks. In the data section, you can view and modify the data that make up the chart. And here you can sort the data by column. As an example, right-click the population column and press Sort by Column AZ. You can see that it's sorted in ascending order. If you press Sort by Column CA, it's sorted in descending order. Now, let me introduce how to customize it in the preview section. In the theme part, you can apply various themes provided by Flourish. In the word section, you can exclude common words or replace similar words into one word. This feature will help you determine the frequency of words in a novel or speech by excluding words that are not important or accurately measuring them. In the Cloud Style section, there are tools to help you express the word cloud in various ways. First, you can change the font, and you can set the minimum and maximum font sizes according to data values. The larger the size difference, the greater the data difference. You can also style the relationships of the biggest and smallest words. In addition, the spacing and angle between words can be adjusted. Next, let's learn how to specify colors. If you choose a color in the Colors section, you can see that colors are assigned to each continental category. The columns that are categorized can be found in the Data section. Word means the word to represent in the chart, and value means the value corresponding to that word. Next, with what we learned earlier, let's represent TikTok trend hashtag data in the word cloud. Select a word cloud template and click the Data section. In the Data section, you can click Upload Data to upload an Excel file containing the data to be represented as a word cloud. Let's change the title first. And I'll turn off the word exclusion filter and change it to a theme that suits TikTok. I'll change the various details and change the word color to the color you want. Press Export and Publish in the upper right corner to save the completed word cloud image. You should create a word cloud with your own data. 2. Are there only good things about this easy-to-create word cloud? Everything has its pros and cons. First, word cloud refers to the frequency by the size of words, but we don't know the exact number. That's why it's hard to compare quantitatively. It's hard to see the frequency difference between words of similar size. Second, you don't know the context or relationship of words shown. When you look at word cloud alone, You don't know the relationship or structural information between words. Third, it's important based on frequency only, but words with low frequency can be ignored. Fourth, it's pretty in design, but it's a little disadvantageous for conveying information, so there's a lot of visual noise. To solve these shortcomings, you can use different graphs with word cloud. You can use a different graph with word cloud to solve these shortcomings. To give you a quick illustration, if you use word cloud as a word that appears frequently in shopping mall reviews, you can definitely check the frequency, but you don't know how the keyword reacts. However, you can use a radar chart together to understand their reactions and detailed information more deeply. Next time, we will learn about the radar chart.
See you next time.